Ever pondered on the delight of growing your own strawberries at home? Imagine the joy of plucking fresh, juicy strawberries right from your own backyard. Today, we're embarking on a journey to understand the art and science of growing strawberries at home. Strawberries, with their vibrant red hue and sweet tart flavor, are a favorite of many. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with essential nutrients. And the best part, growing strawberries at home isn't as complicated as it might seem. Step 1. Choose the right variety. Strawberries come in 3 types: June-bearing, ever-bearing, and day-neutral. June-bearing strawberries produce one large harvest per year. Typically in June, ever-bearing strawberries produce 2 to 3 harvests of smaller berries throughout the season. Day-neutral strawberries will produce fruit throughout the growing season. Step 2. Find the perfect spot. Strawberries need at least 6 to 10 hours of sunlight each day. They prefer well-draining soil rich in organic matter. A raised bed or container can provide the perfect home for your strawberries. Step 3. Plant at the right time. Plant your strawberries as soon as the ground can be worked. In the spring, space the plants about 20 inches apart to give them room to grow. Step 4. Water and feed regularly. Strawberries need about 1 inch of water per week. A balanced, slow-release fertilizer applied in early spring can help boost your strawberry crop. Step 5. Protect your plants. Strawberries are susceptible to a variety of pests and diseases. Use organic methods like floating row covers to protect your plants from birds and insects. Step 6. Harvest at the right time. Strawberries are ready to harvest when they are fully red. Pick them with the caps and stems attached to extend their shelf life. In summary, growing strawberries can be a rewarding experience. Choose the right variety for your needs. Plant in a sunny, well-drained location. Water and feed regularly. Protect your plants from pests and diseases. And harvest when the berries are fully red. With patience and care, you'll be enjoying your own homegrown strawberries in no time. Growing strawberries at home is not only a fun and rewarding project, but also a step toward sustainable living. It's a delightful way to enjoy fresh, organic strawberries right at your fingertips, and a wonderful hobby that brings joy and satisfaction. So why not give it a go? You might just find that the sweetest strawberries are the ones you grow yourself.